In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add media to your LinkedIn profile in the experience section. Whether you're looking to showcase your achievements with a visual edge or just want to enhance your online professional presence, adding media is a fantastic way to make your profile stand out. First things first, you'll want to head over to linkedin.com. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in. You can do this using your Google or Microsoft accounts, or simply log in with your email address and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your account. This just means they'll send a code to your phone, ensuring that your profile stays secure. Now that you're logged in, look to the upper right corner of your screen where your avatar picture is located. Give it a click to reveal a drop-down menu and then select View Profile. On your profile page, scroll down until you reach the experience section. This is where you can highlight your professional history. Next, look for the specific experience entry you'd like to enhance and click the pencil icon next to it. This icon allows you to make edits. After clicking it, scroll down to find the media section. You'll see an option labeled Add Media, and you're going to want to click on that. Here's where the exciting part happens. You can choose a file directly from your computer. This could be an image of a project, a document showcasing your credentials, or any other relevant media. Once you've selected your file, you can also choose to add link. This feature lets you paste in the URL of a video, a presentation, or even a website that you want to feature on your profile. Clicking add after inputting the URL will include it in your experience section. After that, you're given the opportunity to edit the title and add a description for the media you've uploaded. This step is crucial because it helps give context to whoever views your page. Be sure to use descriptive and engaging language to really capture the essence of what you're showcasing. Finally, review everything to ensure it's perfect, then click Save to lock in your changes. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added media to your LinkedIn experience section. It's a valuable way to enrich your profile, allowing potential employers and connections to see your work in a more dynamic way. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to check back for more tips and tricks on enhancing your professional online presence.